Snipe Squad, what is going on, boy? I'm talking about on. Welcome back to another episode of Soul Purpose, man. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and today we have the Shadow Ones, boy. Now I know a lot of y'all have been waiting for these, and so have I, man. I have literally had these on my have to cop list since I seen the early pictures in 2018? Yeah. Earlier this year, 2018, I seen pictures of the Shadow Ones, and last time everybody slept on the Shadow Ones. I think they sat online for months and months and months, and nobody copped them. This year, it is about to be crazy. It is about to be mayhem. I gotta go back to the hood where they do it all good. Greenbrier Mall, I gotta go pick up these damn ones. Multiple pairs, bro. I got multiple pairs of Shadow Ones, bruh, and you know how we rockin'. We only get dubs. If you have not seen my video on how to cop Shadow Ones, by now it's too late, but you have to turn that notification bell on, bro, because I'm telling you how to get multiple pair. I'm telling you how to get a pair in general. If you don't get more than one, you at least get one pair. I'm securing the bag, boy. So I appreciate y'all for tuning in, rocking with another video. I'm about to get ready, head out the crib, go get these kicks. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit that sub button, hit that notification bell. We almost at 3K, bro. Damn, I can't believe it. I'm good.
Last time that I checked, it was 5 chains on my neck. It was no smut on my rap. Last time that I checked, I was selling zones in the set. Make a $250,000, no sweat. Last time that I checked. First you get the money, then respect, then the power and the hoes come next. Last time that I checked.
So I'm in the car right now, and I'm just reflecting on, we are almost about to hit 3K, bro. Like, that shit is crazy. I literally remember when I first started this channel, I was so afraid to do videos. I was so afraid to do sneaker YouTube, even though I always watched it and I always been, I don't know, somehow, you know, I always wanted to do videos and I always wanted to do sneaker YouTube, but I just never really had it in me to actually get out and do it until I just like was kind of fed up by just wishing I did it, and you know what I'm saying, I actually got up and did something, bro. Now we are almost about to hit 3,000 subscribers, and that just means a lot to me because I'm a normal kid from Cleveland, Ohio, who just played ball his whole life, always loved sneakers, decided to pick up this camera. I've never owned a camera before in my life. I've never even owned a laptop before in my life, or a desktop, or anything like that. And I mean, you guys made it happen, man. Like, without you guys making this possible, without you guys supporting me, Snipe Squad, I don't know where I would be. And I completely owe this journey to you guys, man. So I thank y'all so much for just supporting your boy, man, and rocking with the channel. All my OG snipers, bro, y'all know exactly who y'all are, man. Thank y'all. I appreciate y'all. I'ma ask y'all one question, and y'all tell me, what the hell is this? Why is all of these cars? Bro, I live in the boonies, bro. It ain't never been this damn many people on one strip. They must know about my channel, boy. They must know I'm going in. Bring your friend. Dog, I kid you not. At least a 2-mile radius is bagged up with nothing but cars. I don't know what the hell is going on my side of town. But what I do know is I gotta get the hell up out of here. I'll tell you one thing though, bruh. If traffic gonna be like this, when I come back from getting these ones, all hell gonna break loose today. Cause I ain't going for it.
Only way to sign is skid it. Hopping out the rave and skid it. Smashing on that bitch and skid it. Running the check with no limit. Popping on X, popping on X, popping on X. Chills. Got a new car, got a new bitch, and I got a new deal. Only way to sign is skid it. Hopping out the rave and skid it. Smashing on that bitch and skid it. Running the check with no limit.
And we are back here at the mall. Wind is blowing extra heavy, so I hope y'all can hear me, bruh. It is windy as hell. I'm talking about Windy William, boy. I'm talking about Windy 444. Today is a beautiful day to vlog, be able to get these kicks. It's like 78 degrees outside. This is why I moved to Atlanta, bro. This weather, bro. I'm from Cleveland. It's cold as shit 7 months out the year. I get tired of that, bro. I just want to let my waves down sometimes and just head out, pick up my shoes in peace, you know what I'm saying? Just roll in peace. Shout out my boy Kodak, you know what I mean? Another thing, bro, I'm Sniper Jones. That has nothing to do with Kodak. I was Sniper Jones before Kodak. Adam, tell him I said that. So the first pair I'm picking up is at the Foot Action. I always hit that. Shout out to Foot Action, but it's no finesse at this Foot Action, bro. I literally use my app like I told y'all. I hit this foot action all the time, and I'm going to redeem my pair. The second pair is foot action, and of course, I'm back at the Down Dirty and Dirty Greenbrier Mall. I looked on StockX, and the resale price for these J's shot all the way up as soon as they sold out on Sneakers app. So if you didn't pick up a pair, I really advise you, if you can get them for the low now, get them for the low, because they already at like $230 instantly. Get your pairs, I'm trying to tell you.
5.5 will be the largest. You at 12, right?
Yeah. Thank you. One pair down, one more to go, bro. I don't know what the hell is going on with my camera right now. I just caught a lot of B-roll, and I just got a lot of footage, and then I just went to go look for it, and it's gone, bro. I don't know what the hell is going on. Anyways, I'm walking in the Foot Locker. Now, if you new to my video, then you don't know. But if you watch my video, then you do know. The Foot Locker at Greenbrier Mall hates me, bro. They literally hate me. Every time I go in this mall, they got chopper gunners, all types of Call of Duty perks, Sleight of Hand Pro, Marathon Pro. I mean, bro, they got UAVs. They see me coming a mile away with Target Finder. They hate when I come in and I use this damn camera and I vlog. For what reason, I don't know, bro. I'm not doing nothing to no damn body. But anytime I go in here and vlog, they act like bitches. So I might not be able to vlog in here. I always try to like sneak some footage in, but I'm never usually successful unless it's like some small shit. But as always, I'ma try. And I don't know, bro. Just pray for the kid, bro, cause I ain't trying to steal nobody on no damn Saturday. I'ma just go ahead and buck, bro. I know I ain't supposed to be recording. Sometimes you gotta take L's, bro. I don't know if I might get kicked out. As long as I get my ones, I'll be fine. Let me fix that. All right, we good. It's low-key a line in here. The line not too long, but it's way longer than the one that was in foot action. So, don't know how long it's gonna take for me to get my pairs. But what I was gonna tell y'all is when you use your, what is that? Your Head Start time, you get discount codes. And these, my first pair wound up being only $145 because I had a coupon, $25 or some shit like that. I don't know, but it was only $145, so that's a dub. Use the app, get your discounts. $145 for some shout-outs, bro. That's a dub, easy dub. And of course, I got the slave runners on, not the wave runners, but the slave runners. What I walk in every single day. Thank you. The double up is complete, bro. That's both pairs. Now, what I can say about Foot Locker, which they hold me again, because I got a discount code I can use, just like I used that foot action for like $25 off, and they didn't let me use it, bro. So, Foot Locker, bro, if you watching this, y'all can kiss my ass, bro, because y'all be hating every single time I come for a release, bro. And I'm just getting sick and tired of it, bro. And one of these days, I'm just have to shoot the one with one of y'all. Honestly, I didn't know if I was gonna double up like I told y'all at the house, but after talking to my boy, he got kicks, boy. He got kicks, said double up. And if he got kicks, say double up, your ass better double up. Cause he know what he talking about. If you don't know who He Got Kicks is, subscribe to his channel. I will link it down below. That is the homie, man. But 2-pair shorty, let go. Back at the crib, man. Y'all know I gotta end it with the fam back here in the studio to just wrap up this Jordan 1 pickup vlog. Huge shout out to everybody who showed love today at the mall. I ran into a few of my subscribers. I did not get a chance to get y'all on camera because it was so much mayhem at the damn Foot Locker, which I met y'all at. But I told y'all this when I met y'all. I honestly appreciate y'all rocking with me, man. I was just saying that earlier in my video, so I'm almost at 3K. And just to think, man, we making moves, bro. And it's definitely a dream come true. So thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for walking up, man, and telling me that y'all watch the videos, man. It means a lot. So appreciate y'all. Now, I know y'all probably couldn't see in the videos that it was a line out here for these Jordan 1s only because they let like 5 people in at a time. So the 5 people that y'all seen was like the 5 people at a time. But the line was crazy. Jordan 1 box. Nothing like a Jordan 1 box. Drop the top on my whip, baby. Butter off the top, I'm already satisfied by just feeling the butter. These things are butter. Jordan 1 Shadows, bro. Off the muscle, these are buttery smooth. From the back heel tab, from the toe box, from the side panels, bro. These things are butter. Material is extra good already. And it does kind of remind me a little bit of the Royal ones that dropped a year and a half ago, 2 years, something like that. Let me know if you guys were able to cop your pairs down below in the comment section. Once again, I did drop how to cop videos, and if you watch them, hopefully you cop. And if you didn't watch the videos, man, I'm pretty sure they'll definitely help you win your next pair. So guys, I'm going ahead and wrap it up. Y'all know I do my reviews separate, so be on the lookout. That review is coming soon. I might just drop it tomorrow. Well, I am going to drop it tomorrow, so be on the lookout for the full review and on foot of these Jordan Shadow 1s. It is your boy Sniper Jones, man. I appreciate y'all as always stopping by, rocking, Snipe Squad. Comment down below. Let's get it. Until next time, gang, gang.
Last time that I checked, it was 5 chains on my neck. It was no smut on my rap. Last time that I checked, I was selling zones in the set. Make $250,000, no sweat. Last time that I checked. First you get the money, then respect, then the power and the hoes come next. Last time that I checked.